video, we will show you how to get to and replace the upper glide rails for the drawer slides on the hopper lid. As always, make sure that your unit is unplugged before doing any service work.
Let's see, drawer slides for the lid. These are a common problem on this. These little bearings right here like to fall out because this thing is twisting up and down. So if you loosen 4 of those, see how there's a little bit of wiggle? So we don't want them out like that. We want them in like this. Finger tight, then make sure it's pushed towards the center, and then tighten the top, tighten the bottom. Okay, so to replace the actual drawer slides, you need to remove the top. And if we lift it up on the side, you can see where the 2 holes are that hold the drawer slides in. Those are right here and right here.
If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe our channel. You can also search our playlist, and all links to all parts used in this video are searchable in the descriptions.